Hey guys, BC here for another tech review. Today I'll be showing you one of Honiture's newest robot vacuums, the Q6 Pro. This is the newest line from Honiture on their robot vacuums, and I am delighted by it. Honiture is not sponsoring this video, but I did get a discount for my honest feedback of their product. But I am glad I purchased this item because it is amazing. Also, feel free to like and subscribe if you feel this video was useful. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing and take a look at what's inside. First up, we have the actual vacuum. First impressions of this thing, it's very clean and kind of heavy, which lets me believe that it's not cheap. Most items you get, they're used with very cheap parts. This one seems like it was built very sturdy. We have 2 dust bags, 10 disposable wipes, and 2 mop pads. I've used these, they work very well. And we have our dirt disposal unit. This thing is pretty solid. Again, not cheap, very heavy. A sturdy hinge on the top, which is kind of nice because it's not very flimsy, it won't break on me. On the bottom here, we have a see-through vacuum channel. This is going to be really handy. If you ever need to flip this thing over, see if there's any debris in there, you can just unscrew and take the plastic piece out, clean what you need, put it right back in. On the back of this unit, it has a nice cord management system. This is one of the little things that they did that just makes this vacuum over the top. For a test, I scheduled the vacuum on a timer using their very sleek and handy application. This application uses LiDAR to map out its surroundings. The LiDAR works so well, in fact, that before the vacuum even went 1 foot, it already mapped out part of my kitchen. While the vacuum was running, it shows you a live view of your vacuum and where it is. From the main screen, you can add forbidden zones to keep the vacuum from going into unwanted places. And using the partition editing tool, you can section off rooms and rename them. The application also has other features such as a manual remote and a disposal bin frequency. The disposable bin frequency tells your disposal bin how often to suck up the debris from your vacuum. The app also allows you to select your language and set the volume of the voice for the vacuum and bin. This actually shocked me at first when the vacuum started telling me it was charging. Enough about the specs, let's see this thing in action. To do this, I scheduled the vacuum on a timer using the very sleek and handy application. For this test, I went ahead and sparkled some Cheerios on the floor to see how the vacuum does. Feel free to use whatever cereal you'd like in your test. They say that Cheerios are the healthier choice, so I'll be using those. Let's watch. Besides the 1 Cheerio it flung out of the way, I'd say it did quite nice for its initial test. This vacuum also comes with a mop. I went ahead and tested the mop on my whole house and it did amazing. All the paw prints and dingy floor spots went away. I haven't tried using any cleaner like Pine Sol in it, but they don't recommend using it anyway, so I think I'm going to stick with water. Overall, I feel this vacuum and mop is really great. It's been a wonderful addition to my house and has been a game changer as far as vacuums go. I've had a few vacuums in the past, and this one seems to be very efficient and very worth buying. As always, thank you for watching, and please feel free to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you again.